So I've never really been lean. Like, I was never a skinny kid. I was always kind of chunky, kind of husky. And even at the bottom of my cuts, I don't think I got, even close to 10% or whatever. And one thing that just will not go away and drives me crazy about my physique is my fucking love handles. But there is some hope. I watched NH's video about his recomp, and he talked about having a similar issue, and he was able to shrink his love handles during his recomp. So at some point in the future, there's hope for me. But I think I'm a ways away from attempting a recomp such as his, and I will be, just doing the normal cutting and bulking and having body dysmorphia about my love handles. It's not like I was blessed with wide shoulders and a narrow waist and narrow hips. Like, I have not that wide shoulders, a pretty thick waist, and wide hips.